Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to set up Trojan bot from start to finish and compare Telegram versus the web app to see which one is actually faster for trading on Solana. If you are new, don't worry, I will keep everything simple for you. If you haven't joined Trojan bot before, I have shared our referral link in the description of the video, or you can also check our referral code, which is Cryptowhale access, which is being displayed on the screen. You can use this code to join this website and you can save your money on your transaction fees forever. So what is Trojan bot? Trojan bot is a trading tool built for the Solana blockchain. It helps you buy tokens quickly, sell quickly, create new meme coins. Speed is the main reason trader uses it. Okay, so let's set up our Trojan web app. First of all, open the web app. This is the URL trojan.com, or you can use our referral link, which is being available in the description, so that you can reach out to this website. Okay, open the official Trojan website in your browser. Always double check the URL to avoid fake sites. Okay, so now connect your wallet, but before that you have to sign into this website. You can just click on this launch app. Okay, and here you can sign up with your Google account or your email account. Okay, so let's continue with our Google account first. Okay, so now I will give it access to my Google account, so it will catch all the basic details from my Gmail account, and our account will be successfully created as this Trojan bot. So now it will take us to our the dashboard of our account. So let's cross this new sticker here, and as you can see, this is my account. And if you go to this explore section, you will see list of the coins, or you can also search here. Okay, so first of all, connect your wallet here. I have already connected my wallet here. You just need to tap this button and then you can connect your Solana wallet. Okay, choose your Solana wallet like Phantom, approve the connection, and your dashboard will appear like this as it is appearing on my screen. Here you will see the different options like position, alerts, tracker, trenches, and here you can see for the watch list and holdings and preps and trackers, and you can also see here tools. Okay, so adjust trading settings inside the web dashboard. You can set slippage, priority fee, default trade side. Everything is more visual compared to the Telegram. Okay, so you can also set up your account on the Telegram. For that purpose, you have to install your Telegram application, and there you can search for the Telegram Trojan official bot, and then you can click on the start button, and then you can import your Solana or Phantom wallet, and then you can deposit some Solana and can make the transaction. So which one is faster? Let's talk about the Telegram speed. Telegram is usually faster for quick actions. Why? Because commands are simple, fewer graphics load, less clicking. And but in case of web app speed, the web app is better for managing trades. You will get charts, position tracking, easier control. Let me show you the charts. Let's suppose I click this token here, and here you will see a detailed chart here, and you can also access these tools on the left side. Okay, so you get easier control, but it might be slightly slower during heavy traffic. So what's the best strategy? Many experienced traders actually use both: Telegram for fast buying and web app for monitoring and selling. This gives the best balance. So here are some safety tips. Always remember, use a separate trading wallet, never share your private keys, only use official Trojan links. If this guide helped you understand Trojan bot setup, hit the like button and press the subscribe button and share with a friend. Trade smart, stay safe, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.